2012 Honda CR-V EXL. Hood deflector, nice white paint with pinstripes, aluminum alloy wheels with bib Goodrich tires, tinted windows, door window visors, side step running boards, roof rack crossbars, tow hitch, plenty of storage, good on gas. It's well kept beige leather interior. It's carpeted floor mats throughout. Power window locks and mirrors. Power driver seat adjustments. Heated front seats. Premium sound system with subwoofer. CD player. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Auto headlights. Just over 181,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come by and see us at U-Cars.